In this video, I'll show you how to sign into your Coinbase account step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Coinbase website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account. After that, type your account password carefully to avoid login errors. Then click the Sign In button to continue. In some cases, Coinbase may ask you to complete a security verification step, such as entering a code sent to your email or mobile device. Enter the verification code if requested and confirm to proceed. Verified, you will be successfully logged into your Coinbase account dashboard.